Do you ever feel overwhelmed by all the stuff in your life? Whether it's clothes you don't wear, gadgets you don't use, or a cluttered digital space, all of this can make your mind feel as messy as your home. In today's world, it's easy to get caught up in having too many things and too many distractions. But there's a solution: minimalism. Minimalism is about living with less so you can focus on what really matters. It's not just about throwing things away. It's about making space for more important things, like your health, relationships, and peace of mind. Decluttering is one way to start this journey. By clearing out what you don't need, you can create a simpler, more peaceful life. In this video, I'll show you 7 simple methods to help you declutter your life. These methods will cover everything from cleaning your home to organizing your digital space, and even clearing out mental clutter. Whether you're curious about minimalism or ready to dive into it, these tips will help you on your journey toward a simpler, more focused life. Let's get started. Number 1. The KonMari method, sparking joy. The KonMari method, created by Marie Kondo, is one of the most popular ways to declutter. This method is simple but powerful. You only keep items that spark joy in your life. Instead of just throwing things away, you go through your belongings one by one and ask yourself, does this make me happy? If the answer is yes, you keep it. If not, it's time to let it go. This method can be used in all areas of your home, from clothes to books to sentimental items. For example, when decluttering your wardrobe, you would pick up each piece of clothing and decide if it truly brings you joy. If not, it's time to donate or get rid of it. The KonMari method is more than just cleaning up. It's about creating a home filled with things that make you feel good. By focusing on joy, you become more mindful of what you bring into your life. This method helps you practice minimalism because it encourages you to hold on only to what really matters. In the end, you'll have a home that reflects your true self and brings you peace. Number 2. The 90-90 rule. Keeping what you actually use. The 90-90 rule is a simple way to decide what to keep and what to let go of in your life. The idea is this: if you haven't used an item in the last 90 days and don't think you'll use it in the next 90 days, it's time to let it go. This method helps you focus on the things you actually use rather than keeping things just in case. For example, think about your kitchen. You might have a lot of gadgets or tools that you haven't touched in months. If you haven't used a specific blender or baking tool in the last 90 days and don't plan on using it soon, it's likely taking up unnecessary space. The same goes for clothes, electronics, or even old hobby items. The 90-90 rule helps you make decisions quickly and avoid overthinking. It's a great way to reduce clutter and practice a more minimalist lifestyle. By letting go of things you don't use, you can make space for the things that really matter and make your everyday life simpler and more efficient. This method is a practical step toward living with less. Number 3. Digital minimalism. Decluttering your digital life. Digital clutter can be just as overwhelming as physical clutter. With so many apps, emails, and social media distractions, our digital lives can feel chaotic. That's where digital minimalism comes in. The goal is to reduce the amount of digital noise in your life and focus on what truly matters. Start with your email inbox. How many unread emails do you have? Take some time to unsubscribe from newsletters you never read and delete old emails you don't need. Organize your inbox by creating folders for important messages so you can quickly find what you need without feeling overwhelmed. Next, look at your smartphone. Many of us have apps we don't use that just take up space and distract us. Go through your apps and delete the ones you rarely use. You can also turn off non-essential notifications so your phone isn't constantly pulling your attention away. Social media can also be a big source of digital clutter. If you spend too much time scrolling through feeds, consider cutting back. You can unfollow accounts that don't add value or set specific times to check social media instead of mindlessly scrolling throughout the day. By decluttering your digital life, you create more mental space and reduce distractions. This allows you to focus on what's important, whether it's work, hobbies, or spending quality time with loved ones. Practicing digital minimalism helps you live a more mindful, intentional, and stress-free life. Number 4. The one in, one out rule. Controlling consumption. The one in, one out rule is a simple way to control the number of things you own and avoid clutter. The idea is that every time you bring something new into your life, you must get rid of something else. This rule helps you maintain balance and prevent your home from becoming overcrowded with stuff. For example, if you buy a new pair of shoes, you should donate or throw away an old pair. The same goes for clothes, kitchen items, or even books. This rule forces you to think carefully about what you really need. Before buying something, you'll ask yourself, am I willing to let go of something else to make space for this? The one in, one out rule not only helps with decluttering, but it also makes you more mindful about consumption. It encourages you to only bring items into your life that are necessary or truly add value. This method is often used by people who follow a minimalist lifestyle, as it helps prevent overbuying and keeps things simple. By sticking to this rule, you can avoid unnecessary clutter and maintain a cleaner, more organized space, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Number 5. Capsule wardrobes. Simplifying your closet. A capsule wardrobe is a small collection of clothes that you can mix and match easily. The idea is to own fewer but more versatile pieces that work together, so you don't need a lot of clothes to create different outfits. This makes getting dressed in the morning quicker and less stressful. To create a capsule wardrobe, start by choosing a few basic items that you love and wear often. These should be simple and neutral, like a pair of jeans, a black dress, or a plain white shirt. Then add a few seasonal items, like a jacket or sweater. Everything in your wardrobe should be easy to combine with the other pieces. The benefits of a capsule wardrobe are many. First, it saves you time because you won't spend as long deciding what to wear. Second, it saves you money because you'll buy fewer clothes, focusing on quality over quantity. Third, it helps reduce clutter in your closet, giving you more space and a cleaner look. A capsule wardrobe is a great way to practice minimalist living. By focusing on essential, well-loved pieces, you can simplify your life and reduce decision fatigue, all while maintaining a style that works for you. Number 6. Decluttering your mind. Mental minimalism. Clutter isn't just about the things in your home. It can also exist in your mind. Mental minimalism is about clearing out unnecessary thoughts, worries, and distractions so you can focus on what really matters. Just like physical clutter, mental clutter can weigh you down and make life feel overwhelming. Start by simplifying your schedule. If you have too many commitments, it can be stressful to keep up. Learn to say no to activities that don't bring value to your life. Focus on the things that matter most, like spending time with family or working on personal goals. Reducing your commitments allows you to have more time for rest and reflection. Another way to declutter your mind is through meditation or mindfulness. Taking just a few minutes a day to sit quietly and focus on your breath can help you feel more centered and calm. This helps you let go of unnecessary thoughts and stay present in the moment. Journaling can also be a powerful tool for mental minimalism. Writing down your thoughts, worries, or goals can help clear your mind and give you a better sense of focus. Lastly, try to limit your mental distractions. Turn off unnecessary notifications on your phone and avoid multitasking. By focusing on one thing at a time, you can improve your concentration and reduce stress. Decluttering your mind through mental minimalism leads to greater clarity, peace, and happiness. It's a simple but powerful way to live a more intentional, balanced life. Number 7. The 4-box method, a practical approach to decluttering. The 4-box method is a simple and effective way to declutter any space in your home. It involves using 4 boxes or containers labeled as keep, donate, throw away, and relocate. This method helps you make quick decisions about your belongings and avoid feeling overwhelmed by the process. Here's how it works. Start with one area, like a closet or a drawer, and go through every item. For each thing you pick up, ask yourself which box it belongs in. If it's something you use regularly and love, put it in the keep box. If it's still in good condition but you no longer need it, place it in the donate box. Broken or unusable items go into the throwaway box. Finally, if an item belongs somewhere else in your home, put it in the relocate box. This method forces you to make decisions and sort through your items thoughtfully. It can be especially helpful when tackling a big decluttering project because it breaks the process down into manageable steps. The 4-box method helps you stay organized while decluttering and ensures that everything has its place. By using this method, you can quickly reduce clutter and create a more peaceful, minimalist living space. Decluttering your life is not just about getting rid of things. It's about creating space for what truly matters. By using these 7 methods, you can simplify your life and focus on what brings you joy and peace. Each step helps you get closer to a more mindful, minimalist lifestyle. Start small. You don't need to declutter everything at once. Choose one method and apply it to a specific area of your life, like your wardrobe, digital space, or even your mind. As you go through the process, you'll feel lighter and more in control of your surroundings. Living with less allows you to enjoy more time, more clarity, and more peace of mind. Embrace the simplicity of minimalism and take the first step toward a more meaningful, clutter-free life. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.